So this mudra is called the Hakini mudra. And literally, you're just touching all your fingers together, pinky to pinky, ring finger to ring finger, middle finger to middle finger, index finger and thumbs. And it's kind of making like a bowl shape. And then it's a globe. You're holding a globe. And just relax the shoulders back and down and just allow the globe to be up against your body somewhere. Got it? Hakini mudra. And what this is about is integrating all facets of your being. So that's how you become whole, when you become integrated. So we're going to integrate all facets of our being today so we can feel more whole. Integrating all areas of your being is the guided meditation. So if you feel comfortable to do so, close your eyes. As you hold the Hakini mudra, take several natural breaths to attune to all the feelings and the sensations awakened by the gesture. Notice how each inhaling breath flows upward from the base of your body to your collarbones, and how each exhaling breath smoothly descends, instilling a sense of relaxation and release throughout your entire being. Take several breaths to sense this whole body breathing, naturally cultivating integration and harmony. You will enhance this integration by directing your breath into various planes of your body individually, culminating in an experience of unity. Begin by directing 3 full breaths into the left side of your body, sensing how the left body breathing naturally awakens the receptive, intuitive aspect of your being. Next, direct 3 full breaths into the right side of your body, sensing how this right body breathing naturally awakens your active, dynamic polarity. Now sense your breathing flowing through both the left and the right sides of your body evenly, integrating them as a harmonious unity. With left and right integrated completely, now divide your body into front and back. Begin by directing 3 full breaths into the back of your body. Next, direct 3 full breaths along the front of your body, attuning to the conscious aspects of your being, the habits and the qualities that make up your personality. Now breathe into the back and the front of your body evenly, integrating subconscious and conscious as a seamless unity. With the left and right, back and front planes integrated completely, next divide your body into the lower part from the waist down and the upper part from the waist up. Begin by directing 3 full breaths into the lower part of your body, creating a sense of grounding and stability, allowing you to feel completely present in your physical being. Next, direct 3 full breaths into your upper body, allowing you to attune to the subtle dimensions of your being, opening a doorway to your inherent spiritual qualities. Now breathe into your lower and upper body evenly, harmonizing the material and the subtle dimensions of your being. Finally, breathe freely throughout your entire body, sensing left and right, back and front, bottom and top, integrated as a harmonious unity. Affirm your integration as you repeat the following 3 times. Through the integration of all areas of my body, I experience complete wholeness. Through the integration of all areas of my body, I experience complete wholeness. Through the integration of all areas of my body, I experience complete wholeness. Release the gesture. Sense your complete integration. When you're ready, gently blinking your eyes open.